Did you know the entire Caribbean slave trade was built on a biological fact that almost no one talks about? West African populations had spent centuries living alongside yellow fever. Their immune systems had adapted. They could survive it. Europeans could not. In the 1600s and 1700s, European soldiers and workers sent to the Caribbean were dying at rates above 50% within their first year. Yellow fever was doing what tropical disease always does to outsiders. It was killing them fast. So here is the part that stops you cold. African immunity was not just a side fact, it was the engine. Plantation owners were not choosing enslaved Africans only for labor. They were choosing them because they were the only workforce that could biologically survive the work. Africa gave Europe a gift it had no right to, and Europe responded by building chains around it. Now imagine that immunity never transfers. No enslaved workforce, no biological shield. Yellow fever runs free across every plantation. Does the Caribbean economy collapse before it ever begins?